everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saskia Citra. I am in class 12 Science 4. Here I want to give a tutorial on using a hair dryer for clothes. Hello guys, step 1. Make sure the hair dryer is turned off before connecting into a power source. Step 2. Plug the hair dryer above into an electrical socket. And 3. Take a wet cloth. Step 4. Hold the lamp with a firm and stable hand. Drag the hot air flow from the hair dryer to the surface of the wet cloth in a back and forth motion. And then, continue directing hot air over the entire surface of the cloth until it is completely dry. After the cloth is completely dry, before using it again or storing it. And 11. Once the cloth feels dry, turn off the hair dryer and remove from the electrical socket. Turn off, guys. And 12. After the cloth is completely dry, before using it again or storing it. Now, okay guys. Remember to always be careful when using a hair dryer and make sure to turn it off after use. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Dadah!